We kick this week off with another guy just casually checking his phone as the green light blares. I am speechless on this one. This guy sees the turn lane, right? I guess not.
Ah yes, the first of many toll lane violations. I guess $250 is better than waiting a half mile. This black car crossing the double lines had no clue where he was going, crossed in, changed lanes twice before his violation. This white car is taking an interesting path through the parking lot. Green still means go. Another pedestrian with no regard for their safety, just casually crossing in traffic. Not only should this white car not be there, there is a no U-turn sign directly in front of him. Really? It's cool. I didn't need the turn lane anyway. You can't tell, but this silver car turns out in front and is literally not even looking for cars. Another gem of a human at a green arrow. Motorcycles can go between lanes, but he wants to lose $250 instead, I guess. Turning radius on point with this guy. Wow. If your exit is 20 feet away, you probably should not be in the far left lane. All day, every day. Back-to-back cars, no less. I wonder which genius was responsible for this winner. Not only does this moron run the second stop sign, but then they do an abrupt mid-street U-turn. This guy was so delayed at the green light that another car said F it and turned in front of him. I-25 isn't awful enough. These guys had to really make it unbearable. This guy is driving down the opposite lane with no clue until I got his attention. The guy in the big truck says to hell with the red arrow and cuts in front of opposing traffic. Red arrows mean less and less these days. Hopefully these pests will be gone come January. Who's counting? Another $250 donation in the bank. Someone tell me what on earth this fool is doing. Nothing about that spot says you can turn here. This guy is going around 100 miles an hour to lose $250. This red car is sure in a hurry to wait behind all the other cars. What are you doing, bro? Just another toll violation. Broken record alert. This guy almost took old Bluesy out, back to within an inch of hitting me until my blaring horn stopped him. The guy in the white car must be having a disconnect between his brain and the brake. Rolls through the stop sign, but stops randomly everywhere else. Not one, not two, not even four, but 5 cars totally disregard the no turn on red signs plastered all over this intersection. Check how long the light is green. Absolutely 0 cars coming the other way. What the hell is this guy waiting for? This guy is hauling ass around the curve almost directly into my path. Here we have our idiot of the week. Cuts me off only to immediately go back to the lane he was in. Come on over, Prius. We know you must be a little slow upstairs if you're driving one of those. This truck makes a U-turn at a red arrow with 3 other cars in front of him. Okay then. Let's come to a complete stop to commit a toll violation. Genius level right here. Never understood why people are in such a hurry to wait at a red light that they block the intersection. This guy may need a new pair of shorts after this. Lots of accident footage this week. Good work, Denver. Gotta keep that ranking high. Another mid-street U-turn. But this one stops, realizes they are a moron, and then goes down the alley instead. Who needs turn lanes? This chick almost turned directly into me here. Guess what? She was looking at her phone. Why not pull into that space? Let's block traffic instead.